Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's your girl Izzy, aka Got Myself. So today we're going on a hike. Well, I'm going on a hike. Went with a friend of mine, but she doesn't want to be shown, so we're here at Shadow Falls Trail. It's a waterfall. I'll show you. Shadow Falls Trail. It's supposed to be a mile to it, so we'll see. It's beautiful. Like so far. This is the beginning of the trail, right there. It's a little trail. So, there we go. Look at this, you guys. It's beautiful. I like to hike, but you know, who doesn't like to hike? I honestly want to lose weight too, so it's gonna be like the beginning of my journey on losing weight and hiking. It's gonna be a start of it because I don't want to go into like intense workout yet, but I got some water in my backpack today. You never want to go hiking and then not have any water with you or something. I did eat before, so I'm okay. Yeah. So we'll just enjoy nature and enjoy the outdoors and whatnot. I would be playing some music, but you know what? More nature sounds are more seasoned than music at this point, I think. I can't believe I showed your car and I had to restart. I'm so stupid, dude. Well, not stupid. I just had a moment. It's so beautiful, you guys. Like, this is what it looks like right now around me. Like, it's just like a trail. Like, I'm just on a trail. A small little trail with nature all around me. This is Oregon, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful out here. My camera, you mean? It's like totally way off. And I do have a flashlight. Should have brought some like band-aids and stuff just in case. I'm trying to not touch these bushes. Because I am wearing shorts and I'm highly allergic to poison oak. There's one thing you always want to be safe about. Is always know what your bushes and stuff look like. And know your surroundings. Be nature. Should got some energy drinks or something. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. It's tall. Mm-mm. This is beautiful. Everywhere we go in Oregon. I love Oregon, dude. Like, I liked California too, but nothing compares to the beautiness down here, dude. Really. Nothing compares to the beautiness. I mean, Washington's pretty beautiful too. Other states are pretty beautiful. Like, okay, so there's a difference between like California beautiful and like Colorado or Nevada beautiful. Like, over there, they got their own kinds of beautiful. California's just the city and the lights is what makes it beautiful, to be honest. But nothing else, really. The people, I like the people down there. People are really chill. And they mind their own business compared to Oregon people. It's so beautiful everywhere I go. This is a little trail. It's really beautiful. Oh my goodness, I almost just, oh my god, I almost just dropped my camera, dude. Or dudettes, dudes and dudettes. Oh. My friend just informed me there's a step up there. Yeah, I'd be the dumbass to be walking and not see it and pay attention to my camera and just go, boom. Oh, there's another step. These are probably the steps she's talking about right here. Little steps like that. Okay, let's see what she's talking about, you guys. What little step? Oh, she's talking about this step. Yep. I would have died. Yeah, I would have fallen. I don't even know if I got it, you guys. I don't even know. But it's there. Man, but it's okay. It says a mile walk. I haven't walked in a mile in so long, in like 2 months, 3 months, however long I've been back home. But I haven't walked a mile in, man. I mean, I need to get my ass back in gear about walking. It's all good. You guys are gonna be on the journey with me when I decide to, well, I'm starting my losing weight journey, so it's all good. It's all good in the trailer head. I really want to find a place to, like, put down my camera for 2 seconds and then grab a bottle of water. It still looks the same though, but beautiful. The same, but beautiful. I'm glad to take you guys on this journey with me. Dude, that's like the 10th time I touched the top of a plant. Okay. None of these plants, but it doesn't have 3 and it's not red, so I'm okay. This looks like a calm spot right now. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab a bottle of water. So give me a second, you guys. Always keep yourself hydrated. Keep yourself hydrated. Okay. Put my military backpack back on. No, I wasn't in the military, but I like these bags. Like, anything military, like bags or boots or anything, they last a long time. I had military boots given to me, like, forever ago, years ago, and I haven't had to go out and buy any boots because I was given military boots. They were her extra pair that she had in the army, so they give you like 2 pairs or whatever. Correct me if I'm wrong, but she had her main pair and then she had her backup pair. She gave me her backup pair, but not her main pair. But I got this at a military surplus store. It's bomb as fuck. They last forever if you keep them. Well, if you work. Well, not work, but you guys know what I mean. Ooh. That's the bridge. I can blur you out, don't worry. That's the magic of computers. I don't think your face is showing, but we got a bridge. This bridge is more narrow than fucking... There's a bridge. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go on the bridge. I like bridges. I just want to show you guys that there's a bridge. This is beautiful, you guys. Beautiful. Same with the other side. It's beautiful. Watch it be like 11 miles when it wasn't 1. Because this don't feel like 1. But also my body's not telling me that it's not 1 mile yet. So it's all good. Sorry that I keep repeating myself, I guess. I mean, it looks like there would have been a waterfall right here going down. But there's just so much stuff going on there. Like down there. But there's so much stuff going down. There's just so much. We just had a fire not long ago, last summer. So it's probably from debris and stuff. Whoa. I almost slipped, you guys. Yeah, see, the tree fell. Looks like that won't stop us from walking. It's so wet over here. What if I just like slipped and fell, you guys? Well, slipped and fell. Well, I guess slipping would result in falling, so I guess I would have to say slipping and falling. Like this one. Is that poison oak, you guys? This one. I'm not gonna touch it. That red one has 2 leaves on it. Probably, correct me if I'm wrong, but probably highly allergic. Dude, I'm surprised I didn't have an allergic reaction just staring at it. There's a trail down that way too. It leads down to the river, but it's still like a little steep one. Trail. Some I would not go down, but You know. Dude, these trees are so old. Like, look at these ones, you guys. Damn. Kind of like sketch to put my phone down anywhere, but I really need to get drink my water. I know how to say water, right? Water. It almost looks like nature's way of mold, bro. I've never seen anything like that. Look, okay, we got like moss and shit, but is that mold? Like that part, you guys. What? Or like, what is it, fungus or something like that? I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, you guys. Still got my lid. I didn't throw it down on the ground. Dude, this is so hard one-handed. So I have my tripod and my phone and whatever. Ooh. That's the second time I almost just slipped and fell. Damn. Mother Nature's really trying to. Not today. Not today. Oof. Mother Nature's really trying to take me out. Oh my god, and I don't even have my boots on. Okay. Okay. We got that. We got that past that part, you guys. I really hope I don't get poisoned out. That'd suck. What if it said 11 miles instead of 1? No, because I feel like it's like right there. Oh my god, look at all this water. Okay. There's just so much water. I don't understand. Unless it's just so foresty that it's just the ground is just staying moist or wet. I don't mind that word, but I'm not getting in the middle of that word on freaking YouTube, so yeah. So let's not talk about that word. I'll give you guys a glimpse of what we're dealing with. See all that mud and stuff? Like, the whole ground's just wet, moist. It's not cool. Yeah, if you guys could see it. I'm sweating, guys. It doesn't look like it from afar. It looks like I'm doing just fine. So you get it close and you're like, oh, ew. And I'm like, yeah. Oh my god. This nature's trying to kill us. Oh, I just went through a spider web. You guys think we're almost there? Probably. I don't know. I don't care, you guys. Nature heals the soul. Nature is medicine to the soul. It's beautiful so far, huh? I feel like well, I really can't wait for my, what do you want to call it? Well, I have, how should I word this? Somebody who's, I can't wait to show people, there we go. Cannot wait until I show people how beautiful Oregon is. There we go. Damn, Izzy. Is it down that way? Okay, we're going down. Not this trail. Wait, I can't see it. Wait, where's behind me? Yeah, there's that trail behind me. Right over there. So we're going down this one. Going down another trail. Woo! Thank God I know how to keep my balance. Hey. Oh no! Oh no! How did I just lean down the ground? Oh my God! Woo! I almost just fell down there. Okay, we're gonna show you like right here, guys. I really want to get down there. All right. God. I can't believe I lost my whole water bottle. To the fucking shit, dude. God, today is not my day. I don't have traction whatsoever. Oh my God, you guys. Look at this rainbow. I bet you this is it, but we have to go to the bottom of it to get a full view. I'm sweating bullets right now. I think my body's already reacting to poison oak or something. Doesn't help that I'm sweating. Look. My body's already reacting. Come here. Oh, this is it! This is it! Look at the pictures that you showed her. This is it! Okay, guys. That whole weirdness in the back. This is the start of it. Shadows Falls. Oh, looks like Shadows Falls. Oof. Okay, look at this, you guys. Mother Nature's like, here's some drink out stuff, but whatever. I bet you there's rednecks out here. Yay, yay! Nope. No rednecks. Yeet! Nothing. There's no rednecks on this part of the woods. Sorry for my weirdness, but it's okay. I got told just the other day, weirder the better. So if you ain't weird, you ain't with it. Fact, if you ain't weird, you ain't with it. It's 32 minutes already. We have been walking for 32 minutes, you guys. I think it's all quiet again. So you guys, I fell, but that's gonna be totally cut out of the video because my ankle likes to go out whenever the fuck it wants. So I have a weak ankle because in middle school I decided to learn skateboarding and fell with my friend, fucked up my ankle really bad in middle school, and ever since then my ankle is really weak and it likes to go out whenever it wants. So it's okay. I'm okay. The only thing that hurts is my ankle, but I'm still gonna continue to this waterfall because that was my whole goal today. I know it's not bad, or I know it's not good for me, but we're only like right there. We're like right there. So we're like right there to the waterfall almost. But I'm not going to record going back. I'm just going to record going to the waterfall, but not record going back up. So I can have both my hands to help me. Yes, look at this. Shadow Creek Falls.
I'm thinking about it.
Okay, well, we made it, you guys, to Shadow Creek Falls. And we're